Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Maharashtra government declares cow Rajya Mata. In a significant move, Maharashtra government recently declares the indigenous cow as Rajya Mata as part of ongoing efforts to honor the revered animal. The decision was formally approved during a cabinet meeting chaired by CM, where the state officially recognized indigenous cows as Rajya Mata. This move is seen as an effort to revive traditional practices, tackle the decline in native cattle populations, and promote sustainable agriculture aligned with India's cultural values. This decision is coupled with a subsidy program aimed at easing the financial burden on farmers who care for indigenous cows. The financial support scheme will cover the costs of rearing, feeding, and maintaining the livestock, encouraging farmers to prioritize the health and upkeep of their cattle. The state hopes this initiative will not only help revive indigenous breeds but also promote organic farming practices across Maharashtra. Indigenous cows such as Dioni and Lal Kandhari in the Marathwada region, Khillar in western Maharashtra, Dangi in northern Maharashtra, and Gawali are integral to the state's agricultural heritage. Indigenous cows hold a special place in Indian culture, often symbolized by Kamdhenu, the divine cow associated with prosperity. The significance of these cows goes beyond milk production. Cow dung and urine are used extensively in organic farming and Ayurvedic medicine, particularly in the Panchagavya treatment, highlighting their multifaceted contributions to both health and agriculture. However, the population of these breeds has been in sharp decline as many farmers opt for crossbreed cows for their higher milk yields. This trend has raised concerns about the survival of native breeds, which are essential for traditional farming and Ayurvedic medicine. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary reason for granting Rajya Mata status to indigenous cows in Maharashtra? To increase milk production, to revive traditional practices and promote sustainable agriculture, to boost exports of cow-related products, or to ban the sale of cross-breed cows? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.